Hi friends, my name is Sanjay Baksla. I'm a senior HR professional. I hope you all are doing well. I know you all are going through a tough time because of COVID-19. It has thrown a lot of challenges in front of us, but has also given us a lot of opportunities. Friends, last Saturday, I had an opportunity to participate in one of the webinars which was organized by GLA University. And personally, I found the sessions were very, very insightful and inspiring as well. Because the two speakers, Paritosh and Dr. Vivek Bindra, they were fantastic. And I'm sure the students from campus and audience, those who listened to their sessions from across the country, they would have immensely benefited from their talks. So friends, I would like to sincerely thank Team GLA for organizing such an event and look forward to have more of such sessions in future to learn from some of the eminent personalities and thought leaders. So once again, thank you very much Team GLA, and look forward to have more and more of such sessions of learning together and growing together.
At the outside, I compliment and admire GLA University for innovative and progressive thought process. Association with Dr. Vivek Bindra's Bada Business is another step in that direction. I happened to participate in the HR conclave addressed by Dr. Bindra on 29th August, and it was so flawless and full of learning. Absolutely simple, crisp, practical and grounded approach. I personally like the concept of mentoring based on I do, you see, and you do, I see. Once again, congratulations to the GLA team for organizing such an amazing conclave. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Anil Sharma. I head HR with the company Triune in Delhi. Happened to attend one webinar of GLA organized on how to create unstoppable team by Dr. Vivek Bindra. It was an amazing workshop. It was an amazing session, I would say. And being an HR professional, I happened to attend a lot of seminars and webinars, but Dr. Bindra was outstanding in terms of he's a great orator, and his understanding about various issues is in depth. And I was really impressed with the content, and for me also it was a great learning, from Dr. Bindra. So thanks to GLA for organizing this amazing webinar. Dr. Bindra talked about some very core issues about HR for the HR fraternity, talking about how do you reward and retain people, how hiring is important, and how do you hire a great team, and how do you engage employees, in a unstoppable team. So overall, it was a great session. I really enjoyed. I made some notes also. I plan to implement couple of things. I think couple of ratios he talked about, right? So we are going to implement those learning.
Hello GLA Mathura, my name is Saurabh Singh, Marketing Manager, India's the only Coca-Cola Happiness Factory. I have attended one HR conclave organized by GLA Mathura on 29th of August, where we have interacted with Dr. Vivek Bindra. I must say it was an amazing session where we got to know something interesting and slightly different from the bookish knowledge. And hats off to GLA Mathura for such an initiative for the student welfare. I'm in touch with more than 200 plus institutions, but most of the institutions are still applying monotonous way of teaching, but GLA Mathura is one step ahead. So heartily congratulations to GLA Mathura, and thank you so much for inviting me.
Hi friends, my name is Sanjeev and I'm heading TA team at Digiversal Consulting Private Limited at Noida. I thank GLA University to invite us to attend the live session of Dr. Bindra. It was really a great session, and there are a lot of key takeaways which can strengthen our hiring and retention system. Very realistic and blended approach of global and Indian. I really thank you everyone for this. Thank you.